Pet dog feed cat food pellet production line is used to make dog food, cat food, and other pet food with different taste and shapes. Different shapes of pet food can be made through changing the dies. In extruder, the ingredients are cooked under intense heat and pressure as it moves toward the open end of the extruder where ingredients pass through a shaping die and knife. This line is consist of mixing system, extrusion system, drying system, flavoring system, packing system. If you are interested in our pet food processing line, please do not hesitate to leave message to us.